I'll just go back to member admin and I'll change member. Once I go back to my main sign-in dashboard, here in the list of members' name, I can also search now for the new member that I created right now. So I have Vivek Dalal created now, and besides Vivek Dalal, I have my group allocated called Dalal family. And now the second or the third stage we have to do is we have to also allocate a financial year to this member. So I click on new financial year, I click on add, and also click on save. Once saved, now you can see a pop-up called financial year successfully generated. The moment you click on OK, you can see that a financial year has been allocated to Vivek Dalal, which means nothing but this is the first financial year that has been opened up for Vivek. And now I can click on start work and see my own dashboard. So this was the only criteria that was required to create a new member and also to open a new financial year for that particular member.